Let me show you how to be getting between $1 to $20 every day using Utrading platform. If you're interested, let's go. Alright, so you click on the Utrading app, then you click on login, then you enter the code that was sent to you, 95974. So as soon as you log in, you click on markets. As you can see, Bitcoin is being bearish here, which is very good for the strategy we're going to use. We'll be trading shorts. So for the fact that we're trading shorts, it is very okay. As soon as you see that the coins are going down, you select one of the stable coins. You go to a stable coin. You can select BTC here. You can use Solana BNB or even Doge. Okay, so all these coins will work. So what we're going to do is I will click on BTC, which has been bearish since yesterday. So we come to DCA. The robot we're going to use is DCA Spot. For the fact that the market is bearish, we'll be trading on spots. Don't trade future unless if you are very conversant with trading futures. But for the purpose of getting at least $1 to $100 every day, you select sports trading. So you click on start, GCA spot start. Okay, so here initial position is on 7, max position is on 20. On smart position, you turn it on. Max order, you leave max order at 1. Then the risk level, you can leave it at radical or conservative. Either you leave it at radical or you leave it at conservative. And the coins we're going to use here, I will just use $10 to do this. I will use 10 USDT. Okay, so initial position 10 USDT, max position is still 10 USDT. Take profit. So for take profit, I know that BTC has gone down very well since yesterday. It has dropped to 4%. So I will just leave take profit at 3%. So I change the take profit at 3%. So as soon as they appreciate to 3%, as soon as market try to recover at 3%, I take profits. Then you select Smart Take Profit to STP. When you are done, you click on Launch. So what this thing does is that as soon as the market appreciates, you take profits and you monitor the business. As soon as the business has closed, you go back and relaunch again. And one good thing with DCA Spot is that you don't lose money here. On Utrading Spot, you don't lose money. As trade is going bearish, it will remain like that until it turns to bullish. Immediately gets to the point you set to take profit, it takes profit. So you do this repeatedly and you end up getting enough capital per day. It's a guaranteed way of getting dollars every day. You can do this if you have some money in your spot trading account, which could be in the Binance or any other exchange you are using. You can do this to many of those coins that are already bearish, and You take profit as soon as the business begin to recover. This strategy is most applicable to when the market is going down. If you see that a trade like Bitcoin has been between $70 to $75 for the past 2 to 3 weeks, but it just dropped to 69 this afternoon, 69.2, 69.15, and is recovering again. So you quickly go to those stable coins and launch a trade, launch a spot trading, and you make profits as the trade recovers. So here you click on launch. Okay, launch done. You go back to your trade. You go back to your boats now. You'll be able to see the coins that are already running. So as you can see, the coin is already running. As soon as it begins to go bullish, it closes the deal and you take profit, then you relaunch.